Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your group on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any browser on your PC and go to AOL Mail. After you go to AOL Mail, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have your account yet, you can sign up for AOL Mail today. After you have logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. Now, you can find contacts on the left-hand side just below views. If you cannot find contacts, you can find views over here. Go ahead and click show and you can find contacts. Tap on contacts and go to list. So you can see that these all are your contacts over here and the groups are over here on the list. So after you click on list, you can see this drop down menu over here. Tap on it and tap on your group. After you tap on your group, you can see email this list and edit list. What you need to do is click on edit list. You can see that this is your list and you can edit the list, which is also your group. So to change your group name, just enter the group name over here. And if you want to add more contacts, you can go ahead and write down your contacts over here. So you must make sure that the contact is saved on your AOL Mail. So you can add contacts over here and also you can remove the people or contacts from the group. You just need to click on this cross mark and it will remove the person from the group or the list. And after you're done, click on save and the group will be edited. So guys, this is how you edit your group on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.